What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases made by Supcase. This is the UB Pro, and there's quite a few other cases by Supcase we're going to be taking a look at for the brand new iPhone 14 Plus. Now if you guys see any cases here you do want to pick up, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. Now all these cases are military grade drop tested, and they offer you some really good protection, especially the UB Pro. If you want the best protection possible for your brand new phone, the UB Pro is definitely the way to go, and you'll definitely see that in this video, so stick around with me till the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first up we have the UB Style in mauve. So here is the case itself. It's got a nice hard clear backing with some nice soft rubber edges that go all the way around the case, and it has some accented buttons, which I absolutely love. Now before you put the case on, you're going to want to go ahead and peel off these protective covers. And there's also one on the inside as well. Very nice clear case. We'll go ahead and put our phone inside. Alright, and then here it is on the phone. Feels really nice in the hand, doesn't feel bulky. Now it's not grippy and it's not slippery, but it is smooth. I don't think you have to worry about it just sliding out of your hand, at least that's what I think. It's got the nice clear backing, shows off the color of your phone, and as you can see it's got all these little dots on here. That's to keep the rainbow effect down and to keep it nice and clear to show off the color of your phone. Now if we look at the side, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but it does have some raised edges all the way around to protect your screen. As you can see, it's got the separated volume buttons here, which are really nice. It's got the cutout for your mute button, a little lanyard hole. On the other side, you have your power button. On the bottom, you have all your cutouts. And it looks like it has some reinforcements in the edges as well in case you happen to drop your phone on the edge. And if we look in the back here, it does have a nice little raised edge around the camera lenses to protect your cameras as well. Very nice case. I do like the fact that it shows off the color of your phone too. As far as fingerprints goes, it does pick up some fingerprints, but not too bad. You can easily wipe those away. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no issues there. Then here we have the UB Mag in clear. It's got a nice hard back with the MagSafe built into it. Again, it's got the clear covers. So again, it's got a nice hard backing and is surrounded by a nice firm or rubbery material. Go ahead and put our phone inside. All right, and here it is on the phone. Very nice case, feels nice and grippy in the hand. You can easily find the buttons. They are clicky. Awesome. Look at the side here. We do have a raised edge around the front. It does have those nice reinforced edges as well for the drop protection. We have our separated volume buttons. I always love that. The mute button right there, power button on the side, cutouts on the bottom, and again it's got that nice clear backing with the MagSafe, and it does still have a nice raised edge around your camera lenses as well. Looks pretty slick, and if you happen to have a MagSafe accessory like I do this power bank, it clips right onto the back and you don't have to worry about it falling off. Fits very nice. You can even hold it by the charger itself and it still won't fall off. And as far as regular wireless charging goes, no problems there either. I really do like this case, and I love the fact that it has the MagSafe built into it. These buttons are really nice. They're very clicky and they're very pronounced, so you can easily find them even if you couldn't see the case, like if it was in your pocket or something. Very nice. And then here we have the UB Style in clear. We showed you the mauve earlier. Again, it's got the nice hard backing with the firm rubber edges and the pronounced buttons. I absolutely love. There it is on the phone. This one is nice and grippy. The clear cases always seem like they're grippy. They're not smooth like the other one in mauve is, but the buttons are nicely raised, easily accessible, and clicky. It's got the same raised edge on the front and the reinforced edges as well. Separated volume buttons, power button, cutouts on the bottom and that clear backing again, and the raised edge around the cameras. Then here we have a new case, the Edge XT. It looks to give you 360-degree protection. It's got a built-in screen protector as well. Now for this case, it comes in two parts. It has an inner liner and an outer cover. So we just need to take out the inner liner. We'll put that over our phone, and then we'll put the phone inside the case. So here you get one of the corners started, and then you can just peel off the top just like that. We'll go ahead and peel off the inner liner. Then all you need to do is place this over your phone. But before you do that, make sure the screen on your phone is totally clean, because once you put this on, anything underneath will be trapped there. So once your phone is clean, go ahead and take this and put this over the top. And then we're going to go ahead and put this whole thing into the case just like this. Press it into place. And there we are. So the phone is now totally protected front, back, and sides. Feels nice in the hand. It's got a plastic all the way around the edges with a nice rubber edge on the front here. As you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but it does have a nice raised edge around the front. It's got your separated volume buttons, the cutout for your mute button, the power button on the side there, cutouts on the bottom, and on the back it's nice and clear. Got the nice hard backing again, and the raised edge around your cameras. Doesn't feel slick in the hand. Buttons are clicky. They're not as pronounced as some of the other cases, but you can still find them very easy. They work just fine. And again, now you're protected from the front and the back, and the touch works perfectly fine. No issues there. As you can see, it collects some fingerprints, but you can just wipe those away pretty easy. And on the back, it's got a nice rubber edge all the way around the phone as well. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problem. Let's see if MagSafe works. And it does hold on to it a little bit. It's not going to hold on to it enough to hold on to the battery, but it does seem like it holds enough to charge up the phone. We'll go ahead and turn that on and turn it around. And it starts to charge. So it will still work, but don't count on it holding enough to where the battery's not going to just fall off. Then here we have the UMag in black. Pretty interesting. It's got a half circle gray and a half circle black. And it also has a gray inlay where the outer is black and the accented buttons, which is pretty nice. Feels nice in the hand. Again, it's not grippy, but it's not slippery either. It is nice and smooth, and the buttons easily accessible, nice and clicky. I do like the way that this case feels. It doesn't add a lot of bulk, and you saw that nice raised edge around the front, separated volume buttons. Got all your cutouts here. I do like the black with the gray accent. Looks pretty nice. Got the nice hard backing here. You have still the protection around your camera lenses and that MagSafe. Very nice. And this will hold. Yeah, that is pretty nice. It's got a nice hold. Very nice. Again, that is the UB Mag. Then here we come to the big boy, the UB Pro. This one will give you the most protection possible for your phone. It's kind of like the Edge, where it kind of encases your whole phone inside a shell that's protected by a screen protector and then this nice hard backing. But this particular one has a stand that's pretty cool. It also comes with a case as well in case you want to put it on your belt. You can do that as well. This little clip here rotates 360 degrees. Pretty nice, nice and solid. And here is the case itself. Feels nice in the hand. And again, it's got that built-in screen protector as well. Again, this is a two-piece. It's got the inner liner with the outer covering. So we're going to take out the inner liner, put it on our phone, and then put the whole phone inside the case. So we'll go ahead and take this and put this over our phone, just like that. Then we'll go ahead and put the whole thing inside the case. And there we go. Very nice case. Feels really solid in the hand. Nice and grippy. Doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone either. It's got the nice ridges for the grip. It's got your volume buttons on the side. It does have a covered mute button cover, so it keeps the dust out. Got the power button on the side here. The cutouts on the bottom, which are also covered for the power port, which is nice. And again, it's got that nice raised edge around the front, so you don't have to worry about things touching the screen when you put your phone face down. On the back, it's got the nice hard backing on here, as well as built-in MagSafe, which is awesome. Little carbon fiber inlay. It's got a recession for the camera protection. And like I said before, it's got a stand. You just push this button back, and the little ring pops out, giving you a stand so you can watch a YouTube or Netflix or something. And then it easily just pushes down again, just like that. And again, like I said, built-in MagSafe. That is awesome. Very nice case. This case pretty much has it all. It's got stand, it's got MagSafe, great protection. What more do you want? And as far as regular wireless charging goes, no issues there. So again, if you want the best protection for your phone, the UB Pro is definitely where it's going to be at. So that is it for Supcase's case lineup for the brand new iPhone 14 Plus. If you guys found a case that you really loved and want to pick up, let me know which one in the comments and why. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick out any of these cases yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links to make your purchases because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.